In today's video, I will walk you through how to change your name in Zoom. Changing your name in Zoom is quick, and you can do it either before you join a meeting or after you've already entered one. I'll show you both ways so you can update your display name whenever you need to. If you're joining a meeting, Zoom gives you the option to change your display name before you enter the call. When you click a meeting link or prepare to join a meeting, you'll see the Join or Preview screen. On that screen, look for the field that displays your name. Click inside the field, then type the name you want everyone in the meeting to see. Once you've entered the name you want, you're ready to continue joining the meeting. Your updated display name will appear to everyone as soon as you enter. If you've already joined the meeting and notice that your display name needs to be changed, you can update it without leaving the meeting. At the bottom of the Zoom window, click Participants to open the list of everyone in the meeting. In the Participants panel, find your own name in the list. Hover your cursor over your name, or if you're using a smaller screen, tap your name instead. You'll see a three-dot icon, which may also appear as More. Click that menu, then select Rename. A small window will appear where you can enter a new display name. Type the name exactly as you want it to appear in the meeting. When you're finished, press Enter on your keyboard or click the Rename button to confirm the change. As soon as you confirm it, your updated display name will appear immediately for everyone in the meeting. Keep in mind that changing your name this way only updates your display name for the current meeting. It does not permanently change your Zoom account name. In some meetings, you may not see the rename option. This usually means the meeting host has disabled participant renaming. If that happens, you can ask the host to enable the rename option or update your name for you. That's all you need to do. If you're joining a meeting, you can update your display name on the Join or Preview screen before entering. If you're already in the meeting, open the Participants panel, find your name, click the three-dot menu or More, choose Rename, enter your new display name, and confirm the change. Your new name will be visible right away, making it easy to display the correct name throughout the meeting. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you change your name in Zoom quickly and easily.